Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Redmi 10 to Xiaomi Device. First of all, go into Play Store on both smartphones, tap on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and tap on Open on both devices. Following that, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then choose Receive on this Xiaomi device and Send on Redmi 10. Now click on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will be able to send all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only one photo, choose Send and tap on Got It. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Xiaomi, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just type in this key and tap on Receive. Now when we wait, we can see that our file is transferring, and as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!